As we always note, the streaming space has gotten a lot more competitive as of late, and the latest secret weapon to be rolled out came on Disney Plus there as Hamilton came out over the 4th of July weekend, and it came out to much fanfare. I watched it. Don't know if you watched it. I'm sure our own Alexandra Canal may or may not have watched it. I don't know, Ali, did you watch it? You discussed how big that was for Disney Plus and what it means for the streaming space. Is Ali, and I don't know, did you watch it?
I didn't watch it yet, but it is on my to-do list. Friday night, I think this is the perfect night to watch Hamilton. But like you said, it's continuing to crush it on Disney Plus. It made its debut on July 3rd. And according to data compiled by Seven Park Research between July 1st and July 5th, it continued to crush expectations. It was the #1 title across all platforms, with 80% of Disney Plus users tuning in to watch the film. In addition to that, Hamilton accounted for 87% of the time spent on Disney Plus. So certainly impressive numbers there. And as you mentioned, when this announcement was first made, people were incredibly excited. It was bumped up to be a lot earlier on Disney Plus, which people were pumped about. They could not wait to watch this film. And Lin-Manuel Miranda just continues to crush it. In fact, it led to a surge in app downloads for Disney Plus. According to research firm Sensor Tower, the film delivered a 64% download bump for Disney Plus. So, you know, they're doing pretty well right now. But that platform is not the only one to see a surge in recent weeks. So if we take a look at average household minutes for the month of June, also compiled by Seven Park Research, we'll see that Apple TV Plus had an impressive surge of 51% last month, going from an average watch time of 53 minutes to 80 minutes. That was largely driven by the success of its popular miniseries, Defending Jacob. We'll see that Hulu had a nice bump as well last month, which is an encouraging sign since time spent on that platform had been on the decline in recent months. But when we're talking streaming and at-home entertainment, I also wanted to bring up a separate study by Hub Entertainment Research, which did show that 2 out of 3 young consumers would be willing to pay to stream a movie that was just released in theaters. And if we dig into the specifics of this study, it seems like money is not really a factor here. So among those respondents aged 18 to 34, over 50% said they'd be willing to spend up to $50 to stream a just released movie. Now that seems incredibly high to me, but remember, we're still in the middle of this global pandemic. People do seem more willing to cough up a little extra change to watch films and entertainment in the comfort of their own homes. I think we've seen that ripple throughout all the streaming services as well. In fact, in a separate part of this study, 70% of respondents said that the value that they see from Netflix, Disney Plus, Hulu, and Amazon Prime make it well worth the money that they spend. So I think the narrative continues to hold true that the more content you have on their platform, the more access you have to the consumer, the better off you're going to be, especially amid these uncertain times.
Yeah, $50 seems rather high, but I guess if you compare it to a normal ticket at the theater and how many people you can pack into a living room, maybe it makes a little bit more sense there.
Hey investors, Zach Guzman here. Are you interested in learning more about the markets and getting the latest financial news? Well, then click right here to subscribe to our Yahoo Finance YouTube channel. Get the latest up-to-the-minute market analysis, big interviews in the world of finance, and information on how to manage your money every day wherever you are.